Hi guys, it's Isabel here at Worldwide RV, and behind me is the 2026 Jayco J Flight 334 RTS. Now this travel trailer is 38 feet and has a dry weight of just about 8,700 pounds. It can sleep 4 people. So today we're going to do a quick tour, and as per usual, we're going to start on the outside and then we'll make our way in. All right, you guys, we are going to start in the front of this travel trailer. To my left, you have a power tongue jack as well as two 20-pound LP tanks. And then over here to my right, this is going to be a pass-through storage, so it goes all the way to the other side of this travel trailer. That's going to be perfect for camping chairs, fishing poles. Really, everything that you're going to want to take with you during your camping trip is going to be able to fit right in here in this pass-through storage. All right, now we are in the back of this travel trailer, and there is a few things that I want to make sure to point out to you guys. Let's start at the roof. So up there, it is prepped for a Lippert ladder. It also is prepped for side cameras as well as a backup camera up there. And you also have your spare tire right here with your Jayco cover on it. To my right, there is an additional storage area right there. That's going to be perfect for all the extra gear that you couldn't fit into that front pass-through storage. All right, before we head inside of this travel trailer, there is a few more things that I definitely want to point out. First off is going to be up here. You have your power awning with an LED strip underneath it that you can control with a remote, and it changes colors, so that's really awesome. You also have your marine grade speakers up there, as well as an area for a cable TV antenna output, and you also have a place you can plug something in right here as well. Another thing that I don't want to forget to mention before we head inside is Jayco's warranty. They are the best in the industry with their 2-year structural warranty and their 3-year limited warranty. But come on guys, let's go check out the inside of this travel trailer. All right guys, now we're inside of this 334 RTS, and the first thing that I want to point out is how open this living room and kitchen area is with these two slides that are opposing each other. It really equates for so much floor space in here. You have plenty of room for all types of activities. The dogs, the kids aren't going to be bumping into each other trying to get through here. I absolutely love a kitchen island inside of a travel trailer, and this is a perfect size. It's not huge, but it's definitely there. It gives you some additional counter space. It also is just a good focal point for this travel trailer. Let's kind of start our focus on this first slide right here. This seats your booth dinette, which of course converts down into additional sleeping, and there is some additional storage underneath these seats as well. And you also have your theater seating, which these are not only super comfortable, but right across from your entertainment area. So it's going to be the perfect spot to chill out after a long day of camping and watch some TV. In the rear of this travel trailer, you do have a tri-fold sofa. So yes, that also comes out to be some additional sleeping. And you have tons of storage up here with these cabinets, as well as little side tables on both sides with their own little cubbies underneath it as well. And this entertainment area is not only beautiful, but has a lot of different storage hidden in it. You have storage up here. You have cabinets down here by your fireplace, which, by the way, that fireplace is going to be able to push out enough heat to really heat up this entire living room. And you also have an area right here to connect your phone to those outdoor speakers as well. And this is your beautiful kitchen area. As I mentioned, you have an island in here, and not only does it house your sink, which does have a nozzle that comes down for an easier cleanup inside of this sink, but you have a ton of storage hidden underneath here, cabinets, drawers, perfect little additional storage right here as well. And then to my right, you have an 8 cubic foot Envision fridge. Now this is going to be 12 volts, and there is going to be a 200-watt solar panel located on the roof to help you with power for that. And I absolutely love this. They gave you a little pantry area right here. I say little, but this actually goes back pretty dang far, and it is pretty tall. So olive oil container is going to fit in there, not worrying about having to store it sideways or whatever. Over in this area, you have additional storage next to the microwave as well as the oven. You do have a 3-burner stovetop inside of here. And then to my left, this is going to be the perfect place for a coffee bar. You have a lot of counter space right here, and then of course a lot of storage up here in these cabinets, and you also have a drawer down here as well. And the bathroom is split inside of this travel trailer, so you're able to access it from the hallway as well as the bedroom. That's a really big plus, so you're not waking up those kiddos sleeping on the trifold sofa at night when you gotta get up and use the restroom. You have a lot of storage inside of this split bathroom. You have a huge cabinet right here that you're able to put all of the towels, washcloths, and then you also have the standard medicine storage cabinet and then the storage underneath the sink as well. The shower is going to be a corner shower, which is pretty convenient because it gives you some additional arm room, so that way you're not bumping the walls when you're washing your hair. And there is a skylight up here at the roof for some additional headroom as well. All right, and now we are inside of the front of this travel trailer. This is the front private bedroom. You have a queen size bed inside of here, which is fully walk aroundable. I have plenty of room on both sides to get in and out, so no one's gonna have to be climbing over each other to get out of bed. You also have a little table on each side for some water at night, storage above, and there is storage underneath this bed as well. Behind me, you have a pretty decent sized closet. You have area at the top to maybe fold things up, maybe put some shoes, as well as an area to hang up your clothes as well. And heading down a little bit, I do want to mention you do have your solar controller in this room as well up there. And you also have this closet as well, which is nice and spacious, super deep as this closet. And if you're wanting to fold some clothes too, you also have some drawers and a little bit of a dresser right here. All right, guys, well, there you have it. That was a good look at this 334 RTS that we have available here at Worldwide RV. I always say I don't feel like the video does it justice, so if you like this floor plan, come down here and visit us. We are located in between Higley and Greenfield. We are the Jayco dealership here in Mesa, Arizona, and my name's Isabel. We'll hope to see you soon.